Okay, so this is part 2 to my video. So, next on the list is MAD. Honestly, I don't get MAD a whole lot. Probably B tier, maybe even C tier. I mean, pretty good. Probably a bit, pretty good priced, I guess. I don't know, I'm just putting it there. Okay, Balloon Exclusion Zone. B tier. Really cheap. Really good. Yeah, just no, actually A tier. Yeah, it's really good. I recommend getting it. Archmage. C tier. It's a bit overpriced, and I don't get it a whole lot. Not that good. Yeah, if I get Wizard, I'd go one of these two usually. Next on the list, Wizard Lord Phoenix. S tier. Very cheap actually, and it has like a permanent Phoenix, even two Phoenixes if you have use the ability. So yeah. Prince of Darkness. S tier again. Because it's really cheap mostly is why, but it's also summons like balloons. And none of the other towers in the game really have that ability, so yeah, it's really good. True Sun God. C tier. I like True Sun God, but it's too much money. It should be $300,000 or $400,000, but $300,000 or $500,000 is definitely too much. But yeah, if it was cheaper, I would like it. Plus, you can get the Vengeful Sun God with it. Next on the list, the Anti-Balloon. B tier. The Anti-Balloon can shoot two directions, which makes it good. And it has an ability, which is also good. You know, we'll put it in A tier, actually. It's just, I don't know, it's just good. Something. Legend of the Night. B tier. It's probably a little bit too overpriced. But yeah, it is too overpriced. But still, it's pretty good. And I honestly don't get it much, but it is really good. It's like, if you need something, I recommend getting it. Or no, never mind. Okay. This upgrade. I forget what it's called. Grandmaster Ninja. B. Actually no. A. If I get Ninja, I almost always get this path. As it just shoots, like, multiple, really cheap. Just good. Grand Saboteur. D tier. It kinda, I don't even know what the ability does. Like, just slow, like, really? Isn't that kind of Glue Gunner and Ice Monkey's point? Like, slow down, really? Master Bomber. A tier. Like, if you want to get rid of the Moab, another mob, but like it demolishes Moab class balloons. Just blows them up. Most people are gonna be mad about this. I know most people like this upgrade, but my honest reference is F tier. It's way too much money. All it really does is increase attack speed and increase range. I think. Does it even increase range? Yeah, it does. And give them lead detection. Give them lead popping. Like honestly, I rarely buy this if I want to buff like Cave Monkey or something. Okay, S tier. It's really good. Like if you use the ability, it just demolishes the Moab class ones. It's like better. It's better than this because like the ability lasts longer and it kills more than just 3 Moab. It kills them all and it's 5 of them. It's so good. Master Alchemist. S tier. Honestly, like my Blue Master Alchemist, if I place him down, he gets 100,000 pops in 2 minutes. He's just so good. And he just turns them into red balloons. Like honestly, who doesn't like that? Superstorm. A tier. Too overpriced. Too overpriced. That it like blows them away from the exit. It shoots a lightning. Shoots tornadoes. Honestly, I would put it in S tier. Maybe I will. We'll put it at the very top of A tier. There. This druid. S. Because it's cheap, mostly. I would, like, this one is better, but this one is cheaper. Because this one summons spikes all over the track. Like, for goodness, this is S. But for price, this was, like, S. I'll put it in S, but theoretically, this one's better, but this one's cheaper. Actually, they might be, like, the same. Okay. Avatar of Wrath. A tier. I just like Avatar of Wrath. I mean, most people probably don't, but if you get like all the other pop loss, then it's really good. Okay, Banana Central. I'm not a big fan of Banana Tree, and I don't. Banana Central, I would like, but you have to collect the bananas. I don't like collecting them. So for that, putting it in B tier. But yeah, otherwise it's good, and it's overpriced too. Okay, Monkeynomics. F tier. All it does is give you money, but you literally just own it back over time. No, not Monkeynomics. All you need to do is say yes or no. There's no question. Not Monkeynomics. Oh. Actually, maybe you don't own it back over time. Also gives back your IMF loan. I don't know. IMF loan is back because you own back. I don't know if you own this. If you don't know it, then I'll put it in B tier, but I don't know. I'm putting it in F for now. Banana Central. Or Central. I don't know what the upgrade's called. Banana Central. No, wait, no. Monkey Wall Street. Okay, Monkey Wall Street. C tier. It gives you lives. But I feel like just having a central market's good enough. And other than lives, I don't really know how it does any better. Okay, super mines. A tier. Too expensive, but everything else about it is good. Like, it just destroys BADs. Carpet of Spikes. S tier. Infinitely shooting spikes for only $40,000. Like, Perma Spike is more than that. And Perma Spike is not even close to that good. Okay, so Perma Spike. Perma Spike does a lot of damage, but I wish Perma Spike was actually Perma. Like, why is it called Perma Spike and it's not Perma? So just for that, B tier. And I also don't like the Smart Spikes upgrade because Force Spikes does the exact same thing. Primary expertise. If you have primaries, they're just buffed. Like, always put your. If you get primary, get this. It just buffs them infinitely. And it fights. Like, it shoots these razor blade things. So, S tier. Call to arms. I don't really know what it does. I don't really buy it, but I'm just gonna say I don't really like it that much. I do buy it, but what does the ability even do? Like, F tier. Okay, monkey. This 5,000. Like, it's 5,000 for a tier 5. Like, seriously, guys, who would not put this in S tier? Whatever this upgrade's called, Century Champion. Also S tier because it's so cheap and it just has these laser blasting sentries. It doesn't like laser blasting sentries. Overclock. D tier. I mean, all it does is boost them. Like, if you want a boost, literally just get this. No, wait, actually, I'm switching these. I don't like it at all. No, maybe they're wrong. It's like, if you want a boost, just get this or something else. Like, seriously. XXL trap. S makes like makes traps that literally work on the OMGs. It's like, okay, who doesn't like that? And oh, that's all of them. Maybe I'll make another video about heroes and paragons. Oh, actually no, Megalodon. Megalodon wasn't on this list, but I'm gonna read him anyways. Oops. Megalodon is this tier. There is nothing better than Megalodon. Here, we'll say this is Megalodon. Megalodon, I made 2 videos on Megalodon. Megalodon just eats those BADs. It's so cheap. Like, honestly, this stupid thing is twice. No, like, this thing is as much as this. As much as Megalodon. If you have the, like, counting the orcas. Okay, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's say this is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Or Gigantosaurus. I don't know, looks cute. That's what makes it A. That's all I'm gonna say. Poke. It doesn't even like kill the balloons. It just brings them back. It used to be 60,000, but they recently made an upgrade and it's only 25,000 now. So 8 tier. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe for more.